Hey folks, Billy T Garden in the kitchen. Of course, we are making candies, cookies, cakes, stuff like that right now. And I'm going to show you how to make soft peanut butter fudge. But if you don't mind first, do that one thing I ask every time. Please, go down and subscribe. I'd sure appreciate that. And don't forget to like. I'll turn on notifications so you know when my next video come out, and they'll come out quite a bit, with the holidays coming up. And also don't forget to share so my videos will get around and help me out to buy equipment to make my videos better, to do more. I'd sure appreciate it. So first, like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to make soft peanut butter fudge. One of the easier ways. It's probably the easiest way you can make it. So, show you guys, of course, what I've got going. Now, I didn't have enough to make a full batch, so I'm going to make a half batch. I have an 8x8 pan, and I'll show you how to use an 8x8 pan to still get your thickness and not be, pancake thin or something. So, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. It's very simple. Show you guys what I got going as usual. First of all, I got me a half cup of butter in my pan starting to melt, and then I got my powdered sugar, I got my peanut butter, I got my milk, I got my brown sugar, and my vanilla. Okay, now this is my pan. What I've done is I've lined it with aluminum foil and butter it. Butter it pretty heavy because this is what's going to keep it from sticking on you, okay? And then what I'm going to do is when I pour it in here, I'm going to take my aluminum foil and fold it up to get the right thickness of peanut butter fudge that I want. And that's how I'm going to do half batch, since I don't have, half a pan right now. Or I don't have but a half of an 8x8 pan right now. So, but that's enough to show you guys how to do this. So, anyways, what I'm going to do, I've got my butter melting. And then after I get my butter melted up, I'm going to go on and I'm going to add my, hold on just a second here. I'm going to go on and after I had to get something, I'm going to add my brown sugar, and my milk. And I'm going to bring it to a boil for about 2 minutes or so. So let me get this melted down, and then I'll put the other in, and I'll get that boiling, then I'll show you what we do after that. So, as usual, I'll be right back. Now, friends, I'm not far from boiling here, so like I said, I've got this starting to boil, and we want to bring this to a rapid boil, a full boil. Boil, however, whatever, you know what I mean. And I think after this one, I'm going to show you guys my next video on how to make hard chocolate fudge. That's my favorite now. See there, it's starting to boil. Okay. We're about to, after we get it to a full boil, yeah, you know what I mean, again. So, we've got that going to a full boil, and we're going to go about 2 minutes. So, starting now. I'm not going to record the full 2 minutes. You guys, you see what I mean here. So, let me get this to go into a boil, and I'll be right back again. Okay, friends, we're getting pretty close to, this at a boil. You want this, if you don't let it boil long enough, your fudge will come out too soft. Not long enough. If you don't go long enough, then if you go too long, boil it too long, it's going to be hard. Don't go long enough, it's going to be too soft. So we've got that to show you here. So we've got that at a pretty good boil. We're on about going on about 2 minutes. I'm going to go about 2.5 minutes just to make sure, because I just now got it to a good boil here. And then I'm going to take it off the skillet or off the stove. I'm going to put my peanut butter and vanilla in it. Then I'm going to pour this in my powdered sugar. Then I'm going to take my blender and blend it until it's real good and smooth. Okay, there we go. All right. That's it about, yep. That's about there. Okay. Okay, I've almost got it good and smooth here, as you see. And like I said, I'm fixing to take this. Once I get it good and smooth here, now I'm going to take and I'm going to pour this in my powdered sugar. So let me get this done, and I'm just going to mix it with the mixers. Now, as you can see, I'm beating it with my mixer here. And get this good and smooth. And then all I'm going to do is transfer it to my buttered pan. That's all I'm going to do. And then chill it. So let me get this beat up and in my pan, and I'll show you what we got. Okay, folks, as you see what I did. I folded that up like that to make the edge of my pan for about a half of that, starting to set up already. It's already starting to set up now. All we're going to do is put it in the refrigerator and chill it. Chill it till it sets up. That's about it. You know, it can be an hour, it can be 4. Don't rush it. Just let it go at its own time, or it won't set up right. It won't set up right for you. So we're going to get this in the refrigerator and let it set up. So that's all there is to making soft peanut butter fudge, folks. That's all there is to it. It's simple. There are harder recipes. There's also hard peanut butter fudge, but I like the soft peanut butter fudge, and I like the hard chocolate fudge. So my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to make hard fudge. A little trickier, a little more to it, a little more cooking, but not impossible, not that hard, once you get the idea of what you're doing. So anyways, friends, like I said, that's all there is to it. Any comments? If you've got a fudge recipe you'd like for me to try, leave it in the comments. If you've used this recipe, leave it in the comments. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And don't forget, as I said, to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and please share. Share with anybody you know that might like this recipe. And don't forget, I do make this and sell it, so just leave me a comment. And also gift sets. There's usually 3 different things in a gift set. I'll let you know how much and what's going on there. So anyways, till next time, to my next video, when I'm going to show you guys how to make the chocolate fudge, the hard chocolate fudge. Sure appreciate you guys as usual. Love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Till next time, see ya. Thanks.